Hi! Now that you made the decision to buy a new vehicle, Clawson Honda and Clawson Truck Center want to help you guard your investment with vehicle theft protection. According to the FBI, almost 1,900 vehicles are stolen in the U.S. every day. That's one theft every 45 seconds. Are you the next statistic? Not if you take advantage of the First Automotive Complete Theft Protection Program. Because a protected vehicle is less desirable to thieves, the National Insurance Crime Bureau recommends identification markers on your vehicle. With First Automotive, the important parts of your vehicle are marked with special UV labels that are registered with NICB.org, a law enforcement database that identifies stolen vehicles. Plus, window stickers let would-be thieves know that your vehicle is protected and traceable. In the unlikely event your vehicle is stolen, First Automotive Theft Protection helps police identify your vehicle and quickly recover it for you. If your vehicle is unrecovered and declared a total loss, First Automotive guarantees you a set cash payment. So protect yourself from significant financial loss and personal inconvenience. Get First Automotive's Complete Vehicle Theft Protection. It helps keep you, not thieves, behind the wheel of your vehicle.